Kazakh President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev, who was invited to attend the China Central Asia Summit, arrived in Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shanxi province today. And he is the first of 5 heads of state invited to attend the China Central Asian Summit to arrive here. And his arrival marks the official start of the series of events here in the run-up to the summit. Welcoming him at the airport are school children waving flowers and folk art performance of the waist drums and yankel dance, which is full of warmth and enthusiasm. President Tokayev studied and worked in China for years and is fluent in Chinese. Today is very special as it is also President Tokayev's 70th birthday, and his trip to Xi'an is expected to open a new chapter for the friendly exchanges and mutually beneficial cooperation between the two countries.